amigas, meu nome é Roxanne. My name is Roxanne. Today's video is a tutorial on how I did this chunky FAUX LOCS. Very easy, doesn't even take time. I'm gonna show y'all step by step so that I make sure that you understand and get it right. So don't forget to like this video and hit the sub button. Stay tuned. I already did this hairstyle before. I'm gonna take one of it out so that I can show you how to do it. I think I had it for like 2 weeks at that time. And before you do anything, stretch out your hair and moisturize it.
You good, T-minus?
I used 2 packets of this kind of FAUX LOCS. One packet is 75 rand, so I used 2 of them, and I used 3 packets of this kind of Malay hair crochet, and I used 1 packet of these just for some decorations. So you're gonna need this kind of crochet needle. I got it from Amazon online. I think it was $3 or $2. I don't remember clearly.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole.
Take 2 strands of your Malay hair and unwrap it so that when you're doing the FAUX LOCS, it looks so real, like it's your real hair, natural hair. After unwrapping it, it's going to look like this. Then that's when you can start wrapping it around those 2 locks that you just yarned with your hair. Braided, I mean, yeah. Then you can start wrapping and make sure that there are no spaces between your wraps when you're doing it. You know, you want to make sure that it looks nice and natural.
Got the pink slip, my whip is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up the seat. Forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so.
Take the second strand of your Malay hair and unwrap it again. Keep unwrapping it till the end. Then edit on that space where your first wrap ended, depending on how long you want them to be. If your FAUX LOCS are short, then you might use 1 strand, but I used 2 to 3 strands because I wanted my FAUX LOCS to be very long, 40 inches. Wrap it until the end of your FAUX LOCS.
Mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at. I was at back. Where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip, my whip is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up the seat. Forgetting out the coupe at the lot, Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at. I was at back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a
Okay,
bulletproof.
after doing all that, this is how your locks will look like. And at the end, it will look like this. So when it's like this, it's up to you whether to cut it or you take it and wrap it up.
Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at. I've been moving them out and steal it with me, then he got the